What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Store not loading issue. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam, or you can simply type for store.steampower.com. In both the cases, you will be redirected to this page of Steam wherein at the top here on the right side, you will see the button to login. Click on that login option, and then if you are new to Steam, you will see the option of sign up. Simply click on sign up and then sign up with your email and password to create your new Steam account. And if you already have a Steam account, simply click on login and then you will be automatically logged into your Steam account. Now, after signing up or logging in, on the left side, you can see the option of install Steam. Click on this option and install the Steam application. Now, installing the Steam application, if it doesn't open, simply uh, close the app, or you can just delete it and reinstall your application, or you can go to the store section, or you can click on the Steam icon and then click on settings. And after clicking on settings, go to the downloads tab. And then here, when you scroll down a bit, you will see the option of clear download cache. Click on this clear cache option and then click on confirm. So this will delete all the cache files that are interrupting your Steam application to start. After deleting the cache file, this might solve the problem, but if it still doesn't solve the problem, restart your laptop or restart your Steam application so it will reopen with a new fresh uh, tab, and it will open freshly. So this is how you can fix the Steam store not loading issue. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.